Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. Now see, here it is saying that it will accept set of all string containing AB. So the language is containing AB, yeah it's containing AB, AB, yeah it's containing AB, AB containing AB, AB containing AB, fine. So if a string is containing AB, like take A B containing A, B A B containing A. So if a string is containing AB, then that string belongs to the lines. So initial state by getting A, now again by getting B, accept it. It's containing AB. Now after that, if you are getting anything, accept it. Because it already having AB like AB, then any number of A, B or A. After that, if you are getting anything, it's fine. Okay. Now before getting this A, I can have any number of B. I have to wait here. I have to wait here for the A, because if you are getting A, then getting B, then you will say that you got AB. Okay. So if you are getting B, you will be there. You are waiting for A, like B, then A, you got it. Then again, if you got B, accepted, you got AB. So here it's containing AB. Now if you are again like, if you are getting B, then again you got A. Okay, then again you got A. Then again you got A. So B remain there, because after getting A, if you are getting any number of A, still remain there, because if after that we get B, accept it. So if I am getting A, B there. See, before getting A, if you are getting any number of B, I am waiting here for the A, because I need to accept these strings containing AB. So it should have AB. So if you are having B, wait there. Now you got A. Now again, if you are getting, like if first you got any number of B, then you got A. Then again you are getting any number of A. Again you have to wait. Now you have to wait here for B. If you get B, then so how you can wait here? This state saying you got at least one A. Now if you are getting any number of A, wait there. Okay. Now you got B, accept it. After that, after getting AB, if you are getting anything, accept it, because you got A.